Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. ChatGPT is booming right now. If you don't know, it's simply an AI-based text generator that can have a conversation with you and make everything much easier in life. ChatGPT is game changer for content creation. It writes blogs, essays, songs, and scripts, and answers questions, ideas, and more. In this video, we'll explain how to use ChatGPT to make YouTube videos with examples. Before jumping into the video, for more content on AI, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Let's take a look at what ChatGPT is. You've probably heard or read a lot about ChatGPT lately. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is specifically trained for interactions by conversation. You can ask questions to ChatGPT and chat with it. It also can code, fix bugs, write articles, help you decorate your home, and more. ChatGPT was fine-tuned on top of GPT 3.5 using supervised learning and reinforcement learning. All in all, ChatGPT is the most powerful AI tool. But most people don't know how to use it for their own benefit. In this video, we'll talk about how you can use ChatGPT to make viral YouTube videos, step by step. The first important step in making a viral YouTube video is to come up with a good idea. To do this, you can use ChatGPT. Let's say you want to make a viral video about data science. Hey ChatGPT, write viral YouTube video ideas about data science for beginners. As you can see, ChatGPT started writing video ideas. It both writes down ideas and explains them. Awesome. ChatGPT gave 5 great ideas. You can create awesome YouTube videos using one of these ideas. Let's go ahead and choose an idea. For example, let's say we want to make a video about this idea. We got the YouTube idea. Now, you need to have a script for this idea. You don't have to write a script. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a script about this topic. Let's take a look at how to do this. Hey ChatGPT, write a YouTube video script on. After that, let's copy the first video idea and paste it here. Then, let's hit enter. Look at that ChatGPT started writing a video script. First, ChatGPT wrote the intro of the video. It then wrote the main text about data science projects. You can make some changes here if you want. If you want more text about the conclusion, you can use ChatGPT again. To show this, let's say, hey ChatGPT, write a conclusion for a YouTube video on. Let me copy this idea and then paste it here. Then press enter. Look at that ChatGPT is writing a conclusion for us. Thanks ChatGPT. Note that you can refine your script. You can tell ChatGPT to use on-screen expressions. You can generate a script you want using these expressions. Perfect. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to create exciting YouTube titles. So far, we have seen how to get video ideas and how to generate a script on an idea. One of the most important steps to creating a viral YouTube video is to come up with a title. Finding a video title can sometimes take a long time. Instead of wasting that much time, you can give this task to ChatGPT. Let's have a look at how to do this with ChatGPT. For example, hey ChatGPT, write me 5 exciting YouTube titles about. Let me copy this idea and then paste it here. Then press enter. Look at that ChatGPT started typing the titles for our video idea. It generates really great titles. You can use one of these titles as the video title. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to remake a video. Now I want to talk about how you can make a video from a viral video. You know there are lots of great videos on YouTube. You can remake these videos yourself. This is a great way to create a video, but how to do it? Let me explain. For example, let's search for a video about data science. Let's choose one of these videos and copy the link to this video. After that, let's go to YouTube website and paste it here. Next, let's click the Go button. This website gives you the script of this video. When it's done, copy this script and back to the ChatGPT and then tell it to summarize the script. Hey ChatGPT, summarize this YouTube script. Paste the script here. By doing this, you can understand the subject of this video. If you want, you can rewrite this script. Let me show you. Hey ChatGPT, rewrite this script. And then paste the script here. You can make a viral YouTube video using this script. Beautiful. That's it. In this video, we learned how to make viral YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Whether you're new to making videos or a creator who wants to make more videos, ChatGPT is a must-have tool. So don't wait any longer. Start using ChatGPT today and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. We also create content about AI on other social media platforms. Follow us on these platforms, so you don't miss the latest content. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.